Today I will show you how to replace burner pilot nozzle. Only 2 is working, 4 not working. We want to remove all the knobs. Then we have to remove the 2 screw. Now we can remove the front panel. Now we can remove the pilot nozzle. Now we are using 10 number spanner. Then we can remove anti-clockwise. Now we can take out the nozzle. It's very small one. This is the old nozzle. It's already blocked and corroded. There is number is 25. Some burner have 20, 30. This model they use 25. This is the nozzle. Now we can insert new nozzle. Just insert. Then we can tight. You want to tight properly, otherwise gas will be leak. Now installation is finished. Now we can test. Pilot flame is okay. Same way changing 4 nozzle. Now we can close the cover. Now we can start all the burner. Some burner have yellow color, need to clean the burner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.